Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 212. Mr. Walter Morton's progress at the bar has been unusually rapid. He was called in 1947. Before he had been 2 years at the bar, he had been counsel for the plaintiff in an action for breach of promise of marriage and counsel for the defendant in actions in the probate, divorce, and admiralty division. He had appeared in the ecclesiastical court and twice before the Lord Chief Justice in habeas corpus cases. In every instance, he was successful. If he represented the plaintiff, the result was a verdict for the plaintiff. And if he represented the defendant, the result was a verdict for the defendant. He is respected in the High Court of Justice for his thorough knowledge of the common law and is always heard with marked attention in the divisional court. He argued with great ability a novel point raised on a commercial summons in the Queen's Bench last week. He has been retained in an important action on a bill of lading and also in several assessment appeals arising out of the recent quinquennial valuation. He is an authority on the vexed question of employers' liability. Full stop.